The day no one saw coming. What if I told you that the most important product Elon Musk revealed this decade wasn't a car, wasn't a rocket, and wasn't even announced on stage? No countdown, no flashy keynote, no hype train, just one quiet sentence from Elon Musk that sent shockwaves through Tesla's internal teams. Let's stop talking about robots walking. Let's talk about robots living. Today, we're breaking down Tesla Bot Gen 3, not the concept, not the demo unit, but the production-ready humanoid robot that quietly sold out for 2026 before the public even understood what it was. This isn't sci-fi, this isn't hype, and this isn't a future 20 years away. This is happening now. Part 1. Why Tesla Bot Gen 3 is different from everything before. For years, humanoid robots failed for one simple reason. They tried to look human. Before understanding how humans actually live, Tesla Bot Gen 3 flips that entirely. This robot wasn't designed to impress engineers. It was designed to solve boredom, labor, and daily friction. Not to replace people, but to give people time back. Part 2. The cooking skills that changed everything. When leaked footage first surfaced of Tesla Bot Gen 3 cooking a meal, most people laughed. Anyone can pre-program that. Just a marketing trick. Robots can't really cook. They were wrong. Tesla Bot Gen 3 does not follow recipes. It understands cooking. Here's what makes it revolutionary. 1. It understands ingredients, not instructions. Tesla Bot Gen 3 doesn't memorize steps. It understands. Heat transfer, texture changes, moisture loss, timing variations. If a pan heats unevenly, it adjusts. If vegetables are fresher than expected, it adapts. If a sauce thickens too fast, it compensates. That's not programming. That's situational reasoning. 2. It learns your taste over time after just 3 meals. Tesla Bot Gen 3 builds a personal flavor profile. It knows you like food slightly less salty. You prefer crisp edges. You eat lighter meals on weekdays. No voice commands. No settings menu. It learns by watching what you eat and what you leave behind. 3. It cleans as it cooks. This seems small. It's not. Tesla Bot Gen 3 doesn't wait until the meal is done. It washes tools between steps, keeps surfaces clear, optimizes workflow like a professional kitchen. By the time dinner is served, the kitchen is already clean. That single feature is why early testers said it feels like magic. Part 3. The design that finally makes sense. Tesla Bot Gen 3 doesn't look like a human, and that's why it works. Design philosophy, invisible presence, no uncanny facial expressions, no fake emotions, no exaggerated gestures. Instead, neutral posture, calm movements, soft mechanical precision. It looks intentional, not creepy. People stop noticing it after a week, and that's the goal. Material choices. Tesla avoided chrome, gloss, and plastic. Instead, matte composite shells, soft touch polymer joints, silent magnetic actuators, no loud motors, no jerky movements. Just smooth, quiet functionality. Part 4. The battery that makes IT possible. This is where Tesla quietly destroyed the competition. Gen 3 battery system. Tesla Bot Gen 3 uses a scaled structural battery architecture, derived from Tesla vehicles but optimized for humanoid movement. Key facts: 22 hours of mixed task operation, fast swap, modular, core thermal efficiency tuned for indoor use. Self-learning energy management. The robot doesn't just conserve power, it predicts energy needs. If it knows dinner prep is coming, it reduces background consumption hours earlier. That's not efficiency. That's anticipation. Part 5. WHYIT sold out before you could buy. IT. Tesla never announced pre-orders publicly. Instead, they quietly offered enterprise units, hospital systems, high-end residential pilots. What happened next shocked even Tesla. Within 72 hours, every 2026 production slot was gone. Why? Because businesses didn't see a robot. They saw labor stability, cost predictability, 24/7 reliability. A Tesla bot doesn't call in sick, doesn't quit, doesn't lose focus, it just works. Part 6. The real reason Elon Musk is betting on humanoids. This isn't about profit, it's about scale. Elon understands something most people don't. The world doesn't have a technology problem, it has a labor distribution problem. Tesla Bot Gen 3 isn't here to replace humanity. It's here to handle repetitive tasks, reduce physical burnout, free people for creative work. This is infrastructure for human potential. Part 7. The moment that changed everything. During an internal demo, one engineer asked, "Can it cook?" without being told what to make. The bot scanned the kitchen, checked available ingredients, analyzed nutritional balance, considered time of day. Then it said, "Preparing a light evening meal." That moment silenced the room, not because it spoke, but because it decided. Part 8. What comes next? Tesla Bot Gen 3 is not the end. It's the foundation. 2027 brings expanded household autonomy, elder care assistance, construction-grade variants, and eventually, a world where time becomes abundant again. Outro. This isn't a robot story, this is a human story. A story about getting evenings back, about reducing exhaustion, about technology finally serving life, not distracting from it. Tesla Bot Gen 3 doesn't ask for attention, it earns trust, and that's why it sold out. Final line for maximum retention. The future didn't arrive loudly, it arrived quietly, and started cooking dinner.